Hi, and welcome to another edition of the BlueSpice Academy. Today we're going to take a look at teamwork, the perfect way to assure and control quality in your wiki. So, how does it work? Imagine that you have an important article in your wiki that desperately needs revision. You want to make sure that the content of the article satisfies the quality requirements of your organization, but you're just lacking the expert knowledge needed to check for mistakes. That's why you want to commission some colleagues to do this for you. And for this, you need a review process. So, how to start a review process? First, call up the article you want to create a review workflow for. In our case here, the article is called Preparing an Offer in the namespace QM. Next, choose Edit Review from the menu. In the following pop-up window, first decide on a review period by choosing a start and an end date. Click on the green button to add your first reviewer. Let's choose our colleague Annette Klug and give her a simple task. Please check for redundancies. Click on OK to continue. After that, you can add as many reviewers as you like. Before saving the workflow, you can still change the order of the reviewers or delete some of them from the workflow completely. You can also specify further options if you want. Once you're satisfied with the review workflow, press Save. But before you do that, think about it. Will this be a review workflow that might be used more often? In that case, you can save it as a template for later use, either for yourself or for everybody in the company. As you can see, the article is now marked with a review icon. For the duration of the review, it can also no longer be edited by anyone, unless you specified it otherwise in your workflow. So, after the review workflow has been started, the first participant will be notified of his or her task. As you can see, Annette Klug has been invited to review our article. How does that work? First, Annette will call up the article in question and give it a thorough look. If she likes what she sees, she can now open the header tab of the article, enter a short comment, and click on Agree. And that's it. If she was the only reviewer, the review workflow is finished. Otherwise, the next reviewer in line will be notified. Of course, Annette could also disagree with what she sees or delegate the review task to someone else. In any case, the creator of the workflow will be notified of all events. Another helpful feature of the Teamwork extension is the so-called approval mechanism. Once this mechanism has been activated for a namespace, all new articles or changes to existing ones will be marked as draft until they have been officially approved. Let's take a look at this example here. Imagine that Joe Miller has compiled a list of what he thinks are helpful working hints. He saves the article, and it will automatically be marked as first draft for all users who are able to see it. Let's skip to the admin of our wiki now, Sissy Oppermann. During a routine check on the list of recent changes, she comes across the newly created article by Joe, QM Teamwork Working Hints, and sees that it has not been approved or checked yet. She clicks on the link to open it, and after a brief check, she decides that the article fits the quality regulations of the wiki. So with one click, she can now approve the article so that every user can see it. As you can see, the Teamwork extension offers some helpful features to help you to make sure that your wiki is on the quality level you want it to be. Just try it. And by the way, you can find more information on Teamwork in the BlueSpice help desk. So if you have any further questions, why not start there? Thank you very much for your time. Bye.